Hello. What we're about to demonstrate to you is the use of engineering lifecycle management integration with watsonx to rapidly generate proposal content. We have created a proposal generation system that uses the standard uniform contract format from the federal government, which is organized into various sections A through M. Our proposer generator focuses on sections L, which are the instructions to offer for what the government wants in their proposal. We do link that to section M to make sure that we're covering what will be evaluated in the proposal. And section C, the specific specifications or statement of work for the proposal. Our proposer generator system also uses other sections of this standard government contract. However, we won't be diving into those details in this limited demonstration. Jumping right into our ingested request for proposal, this is an RFP that we downloaded off of sam.gov from NOAA for a radar test article, or a weather radar test article. So as you can see here, our imported RFP sections include Appendix B, which is the performance work statement, Section L, which is the instructions to offer, exactly what they want in the proposal and the format and the sections of the proposal, Section M, how they're going to evaluate that proposal. We have also ingested the cleanse and pricing sections and the delivery schedule for use in our proposer generator. Our proposal itself is built in Requirements Manager. As you can see, we have a WBS, a work breakdown structure, which we use for ensuring full coverage of the performance work statement and the article that is required by the government. We can go into that in a future demo. Of interest is Volume 1 from our technical proposal. So Volume 1 in the technical proposal is based on Section L, is laid out in accordance with Section L, and is linked back to Section L, so we can ensure full coverage and proper implementation of the government's request in the proposal. This means our proposal will be compliant. We'll look at this paragraph in particular, the radar test article preliminary design. This paragraph was generated using a watsonx llama model, large language model. This specific paragraph was generated as a proof of concept. I did some limited training of the model just on what a proper requirements or a proper response to PWS sections are. I specifically trained it using PWS sections for the building that the radar would be placed in. I did not train it specifically on radars or how radars work. That information was already within the model. So this paragraph is the response from the input of these requirements. So I used these three requirements, so we can just quickly jump into our PWS since there is a direct link here. And looking at the PWS, these are the three requirements that I pasted into watsonx. And I asked watsonx to provide me with a proposal paragraph that is compliant with these radar requirements. And as you can see here, we've got two-way linking. I can highlight this link and say that this is satisfied by this section of our proposal. So I can go back and forth in the link, or I can just jump back and forth in our web-based interface in ELM. So this demonstrates as a prototype the speed with which we can use watsonx and curated large language models to rapidly generate proposal sections. The use of watsonx is further supported by our acquisition management and proposal generation infrastructure within ELM. The reason we're doing this within ELM is the advantage of not only generating the proposal, ensuring compliance, and using the tools built into Engineering Lifecycle Manager, but you can also do your systems design and front-end engineering design within ELM, so that when you do win your proposal, you already have that data at your fingertips ready for use by your engineering and implementation teams. You don't just have a paper proposal that you now have to ingest into engineering tools. So not only does this ensure compliance and speed up proposal generation, but you can also rapidly speed up your execution time, which results in greater profitability, higher quality, and speed to your government customer. So thank you for watching this demo. If you have any questions, please contact Rocket Technology for more information.